how to get videos for free from YouTube and use them in your own videos. There's a thing called Creative Commons videos in YouTube. I'll show you now. What you do, you go on YouTube, you type in search, say I'm looking for a fitness video, and then you click on filter, and then you click on Creative Commons. Now the results here, these are all videos you can use in your videos for free, and you can cut and edit them and do whatever you want with them. You don't have to ask permission. You can just download them for free, and I'll show you how to download them as well. So say I want fitness 10-minute AB workout. I want to cut and edit that. So you click on it, and you can check it out and see what it's like.
Working those legs too. 4 and 5. Alright.
It's actually a bit square, is that one? So I'm going to look for a one what's more cinematic. Here we go.
What's up, YouTube? So everybody has some shoulders and arms.
So this is what I'm going to download. So now I've got the link at the top. So I'm going to double click on it like that to get the highlight the whole link. Then right mouse, copy. Then I'm going to install something called JDownloader. JDownloader runs in the background, and it will download like YouTube clips, any links that I click on that you want to download. I just use it for YouTube only, but it's quite a useful tool. So click download here. If you go on jdownloader.org, the link is in the description. This isn't a promotion or anything. This is exactly what I use. Download here, and then you download it for like Windows. Download it and install it. I've already got it installed, but you just follow the prompts to do that. So then all you do is you right mouse, copy to clipboard. Now I haven't actually got it running JDownloader, so I'm just going to run it. So now if you go on link grabber, go on file, analyze text with links, it automatically puts it in from the clipboard. Click continue. So now if you expand that, you can see all the elements you can download for it. Description, the thumbnail and things like that. You want the MP4 file, and sometimes you have a selection here where you can pick what MP4 file quality that you want. So you want, in this case I want the full quality, 60 frames a second. So now I can right mouse on it, start downloads. So that's now downloading. It's going to take a few minutes, so I'll just come back to it in a minute. So that download is finished now. So to get to the file, if you left mouse on the file name and then right mouse, open download directory. Now you can see the MP4 file in there, so you can copy it off or just keep it in there if you want. So I'm now going to go into the editor. And I'm going to drag and drop it in. So that's now there to use. So I'm going to drag it in my timeline.
Dumbbell machine. Now what we get, different types of.
So there you got the video ready to clip. So you can do a quick clip on it now for one. I need to change it to preview mode so it updates quicker. So I can get this guy lifting some bars, for example.
Shoulder press seating, right? Coming all the way back here. You're already like bent, back's trying to arc. I feel like when it.
So I'm going to get it up to about there. I got in some lifting some bars, and I'll see if there's anything else. Later on, doing these dumbbells. So I'll do a quick transition into it. Split. And then if there's anything else, that one. A few of those. Push-ups. So I'm going to do a few of those. And then I'm going to split, and then I'm going to get rid of the rest. Pan it out, pan it in, put some music to it. Turn it all the way down a bit.
You already kind of like that. That's kind of hard. It's kind of hard to keep your back. I love a little bit more bodybuilders and stuff here. So it's supposed to be somebody to understand. A lot of people.
So as you can see there, you can do a quick edit and then use it in your own video. The limits are boundless. Give it a try.